So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to design a book cover with the Figma. So guys, if you want to design a book cover with the Figma, so guys, for this, first of all guys, you simply go to your main Figma. For this guys, here you see there is a one option which is community. So community basically pupils are uploads their projects, their designs, their prototypes, flowcharts, and they are free to use. And if you like it, so give the heart and you just follow the person. Okay, so how you can do, simply go for the community. Now go for the search community. In the search community, you simply search book cover and hit enter. After that guys, here you see that around 100 plus templates are here. This is my first one. So guys, around 13.2k user and 289 likes. And this is for the second one, third one. There are a lot of designs are here. Okay, now you choose which you like most. Just click here, and guys, here you see the option of open Figma. So first give some love to the person who create this, then open this file in the Figma. You just go and open. Here is the book cover plus 5 folder, and here you can check. Now here you can this, like if you want to like this, so you just use it. If you want to like this and this one, lot of designs are shows here, so you just click. And if you want to do editing, so you just start editing on this. Okay, so this is the way that guys that you can create your Figma designs. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.